This week on The Deck, we are actually in the studio, but don't worry, there is plenty of information. We're going to tell you about a quick and easy way to transfer your entire home. Here with all the details, Jamie Breneman from Chattanooga Exteriors. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so changing your siding is,
Yes.
like we mentioned, a quick, fairly easy and painless way to transfer the entire look of your home.
Oh, yeah.
So we're talking about Hardie siding.
Yes, so Hardie siding is the #1 siding that's in the U.S. It's made out of concrete but has the look and feel of wood. It comes pre-painted in 34 beautiful colors. So we can take your old siding off your house, put this up, and you don't have to bring in a painter to come in and be worried about weather delays and things like that.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Now, you talked about the colors. I want to hold this up so everyone can see some of the colors.
Yeah.
They really range from about any style you could think of.
Yeah, so I mean, you have the blues, your neutrals, your browns, beiges, your greens, and we even have coastal colors. So, you know, we've done 1 or 2 coastal colors, you know, people wanting to have that feel of the beach, you know, feel like they're there at the beach all the time. So, you know, there's not a color that we really don't have. We have, you know, from dark charcoal gray.
What are some of the most popular colors right now?
Probably the most popular colors are your taupes and light browns, beiges, and then the classic white, because everybody's style is different. So, you know, you may want a white house with all white trim, just plain classic white. Other people may want a dark color with a white trim that really pops. So it really just depends on the neighborhood, you know, because you don't want to have your house.
You don't want to be the weird house, right?
Yeah, you don't want to stand out, and you don't want your house not to be resellable either. So if you ever, you know, so you want to pick a color that sort of fits with your style and the neighborhood that is going to be resellable.
And along with colors, there's a few different styles of the siding as well, as far as the actual look of it, right?
Yeah, so we have lap siding, which is the most popular. Then we have shingle siding, which is gives a little detail. Usually we use it in the gables, or if you want to highlight an area of your house, we have that. And then we also have a board and batten, which will give you more of a vertical look. So if your house is shorter and you want to make it feel taller, you know, typically we go with a vertical board and batten siding, which will give your house some more height. And
you have a great showroom location where we can come in and we can see all of this. You know, examples of all of it, see all the colors, you know, touch and feel everything. Talk us through the experience at the showroom.
Yeah, so you can come in the showroom. We ask you to make an appointment so we can have everything ready for you. We can have your TV up on our have your house up on our big screen, and then we can get all the different colors and everything that's up there, so we can have everything ready. Go into putting different colors on your house, different siding on your house, and really show you what the finished product is going to look like.
Perfect. So you can help me kind of visualize everything. See what it's good, because I cannot visualize. All right, perfect. So you're going to help us know exactly what we're getting into. And you guys are professionals. You're experienced at this. You're the best around. So you're going to be able to offer us those suggestions as well. If we're not really sure what direction we want to go in, you can help us out.
Yeah, I've had people that have picked out colors, and I'll you know, politely suggest to them, hey, this probably is colors not going to look good together, and then, you know, but ultimately it's your house. But we have some suggestions, and we can show you, hey, you know, we do 70 resides of Hardie siding a year, so we have pretty much any color that you choose. We have examples that you can go see on a house locally.
All right, and so talk to me a bit. One of the things I love about this Hardie brand siding is the maintenance. It's super low. We just got to spray it off, right?
Yeah, you just pressure wash it. I mean, I suggest probably every 3 to 5 years pressure washing it. You know, it just washes off. It's got a clear coat on it like we have on our automobiles, and you can just spray it off and get on with your life.
No repainting, nothing.
But you can. This is the cool thing about this is, where if you pick a red this year and you like it, in 5 years you get tired of the red, you can change that. You can paint over it. Where with vinyl siding, you have to remove the vinyl siding and then put new siding up to change the color.
And with this being more of a concrete-based siding, it's going to be able to last a little bit longer than normal as well.
Oh yeah, it'll last forever. It'll be here long after we're gone.
Perfect. All right, what else do we need to know about Hardie siding?
It's the best siding out there. You know, if you want an ultra low maintenance siding, this is the one to pick.
All right, how do we get started?
You can call us at 805-3800 or go to our website, ChattanoogaExteriors.com, and hit the contact us and fill out your information, and we'll be in touch with you.
All right, Jamie, thanks for joining us this morning and
Thank you.
introducing us to Hardie Siding. We'll see you next time on The Deck.